In this video, we are going to see how we can boost a Facebook post on the Facebook business page. So first of all, what you need to do, if let's say that you're already on the page, on the left hand side, you will see the menu. If not, you will see this show menu option that you enable or click on to expand it. And then on the last, you will get this Meta Business Suite. Click on that. And after that, if you want to create a new post, you click on this option. And after that, you can customize your post. For example, you want to enable send message, send WhatsApp message, and so on. You can add some collaborators. You can add your text about that message, whatever you like. And it will show it something like this. And after that, you click on the publish button and click done. It will publish your post and it will open up the planner. From here, we click on that specific post again. Whatever you want to boost, it will open up all the details, the views, viewers, interaction, click, and followers. But since this is a new post without any boost, it will not show any data. After that, on the top right hand corner, you will see this boost option. Click on that, or you also get it here. And from here, we can choose all the goals. Like the goal is to get more messages, that is set to automatic, and that is more effective. Advantage plus creative, it's another option. And you can add your WhatsApp business account, select your audience, and complete all that verification process. From here, you can define the daily budget for your ads, and finally you click on publish. But since we have some information missing, so you have to add all of this one by one, and that is all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.